Alfred Nobel, a remarkable inventor, businessman, and philanthropist whose legacy continues to influence the world today. Alfred Nobel was born in Stockholm, Sweden, on October 21, 1833. He was the third son of Immanuel Nobel, a successful inventor and engineer. Alfred showed an early interest in science and engineering, and he began working with his father in his workshop at a young age. Alfred's interest in science and engineering led him to develop a number of inventions and innovations throughout his life. He is perhaps best known for inventing dynamite, a powerful explosive that revolutionized the construction and mining industries. His invention made him a wealthy man, but he also recognized the destructive power of his invention and became a proponent of using science for peaceful purposes. In 1888, Alfred's brother Ludwig died, and several newspapers mistakenly published obituaries for Alfred, calling him the "Merchant of Death." Alfred was shocked by the negative publicity and the legacy that he feared would be left behind after his death. He decided to use his wealth to create a legacy of peace and progress, rather than destruction. Alfred Nobel established the Nobel Prizes in his will, which he signed on November 27, 1895. The Nobel Prizes are awarded each year to individuals who have made significant contributions in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. The Nobel Peace Prize is perhaps the most well-known of the prizes, and it is awarded to individuals who have made significant contributions to promoting peace and resolving conflicts around the world. Today, the Nobel Prizes are among the most prestigious awards in the world, and they have recognized some of the greatest minds and most inspiring leaders of our time. The list of Nobel laureates includes names like Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, and 14th Dalai Lama, among many others. Alfred Nobel's legacy continues to inspire people around the world to use their talents and resources to make a positive impact on the world. His vision of promoting peace and progress through scientific and social advancements has influenced generations of scientists, activists, and leaders. Alfred Nobel was a remarkable inventor, businessman, and philanthropist who left an indelible mark on the world. His invention of dynamite revolutionized the construction and mining industries, but he recognized the destructive power of his invention and became a proponent of using science for peaceful purposes. His establishment of the Nobel Prizes has recognized some of the greatest minds and most inspiring leaders of our time, and his legacy continues to inspire people around the world to use their talents and resources to make a positive impact on the world. Alfred Nobel was a visionary inventor, businessman, and philanthropist, whose legacy continues to inspire people around the world. Here are 5 of his most famous quotes. "If I have 1,000 ideas and only one turns out to be good, I am satisfied." This quote reflects Alfred Nobel's persistence and willingness to take risks. He believed that failure was a necessary part of the process of innovation and that one good idea could make all the difference. "Hope is nature's veil for hiding truth's nakedness." This quote reflects Nobel's belief in the importance of facing difficult truths and dealing with them directly, rather than relying on hope to avoid them. "I would rather burn my money than let my money burn me." This quote reflects Nobel's belief in the importance of using wealth responsibly and ethically. He believed that wealth should be used for the greater good and not for personal gain at the expense of others. "Contentment is the only real wealth." This quote reflects Nobel's belief that material possessions were not the key to happiness and that true wealth was found in a life of contentment and purpose. "It is my express wish that in awarding the prizes no consideration be given to the nationality of the candidates, but that the most worthy shall receive the prize." This quote reflects Nobel's commitment to promoting meritocracy and recognizing the most deserving individuals, regardless of their nationality, race, or background. His establishment of the Nobel Prizes continues to promote this vision of recognizing excellence and promoting progress on a global scale. We appreciate your support in watching our videos. If you enjoy learning about political, business, and science leaders' biographies and quotes, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up to help us grow and continue bringing you valuable content.